Google recently surprised everyone by announcing that the Pixel 9 series will launch earlier than expected, in August instead of later. This announcement has led to many leaks about the Pixel 9. Just 2 days before the latest leak, a new hands-on video of the Pixel 9 emerged from a source in Algeria. The video shows a bright pink version of the device. Google hasn't officially confirmed this color, but rumors suggest a possible peony color option, which matches what we see in the video. The Pixel 9 has flat edges, which is different from the rounded design of the Pixel 8. After the first leak of images and a hands-on video showing a pink Pixel 9, another video has appeared online offering a closer look at the upcoming flagship device. Unlike the earlier leak, this new video was shared by a user named ReparationMobile23 on Facebook. In the latest video, the Pixel 9 is shown with its screen turned on, revealing a familiar punch-hole display and interface similar to the current Pixel 8 series. This video is different from the previous one because it demonstrates the screen in action, giving a preview of the interface and design elements. The Pixel 9 appears to have a design similar to its predecessor, the Pixel 8 series, with a punch-hole screen and a flat display. The leaked video shows the device from different angles, highlighting its single-speaker grille, USB Type-C port, SIM card slot, and button placements. The Pixel 9 has a camera setup with dual cameras inside a camera visor, along with an LED flash. The back of the device has a glossy finish, while the visor has a matte texture, as seen in earlier leaks. Although the new pink color variant and some minor details are shown in the leaked video, it doesn't reveal much new information. However, high-quality renders of the Pixel 9 and its variants have given us a clearer idea of what to expect at the upcoming Made by Google event. These leaks have provided a preview of the device before its official launch. The release of the Pixel 9 is still about a month away. However, reports indicate that the Pixel 9 is already available in the Algerian market, adding to the excitement about Google's latest flagship phone. Google Pixels have always stood out for their advanced AI capabilities, which set them apart from other smartphones. Since the beginning, Google has focused on developing unique and practical features. Currently, there is a strong emphasis on AI technology. It's expected that the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series will introduce more advanced AI features. According to a source at Google revealed by Android Authority, Google is preparing to launch a new set of natural language (NL) features under its AI platform. This suite will include a feature similar to Microsoft's controversial Recall. It will combine new innovations with existing functionalities. Google AI will introduce 3 completely new features, including one called Add Me. This feature aims to make sure everyone is included in a group photo. It appears to be an improved version of Best Take, which not only adjusts people's expressions in photos, but also combines different shots featuring different individuals. This shows Google's focus on highlighting the people in a photo rather than just the scenery or content. It's suggested that Google could provide a solution to this challenge with a new addition called Studio, which seems to be an enhanced version of the previously seen Creative Assistant app. Early signs indicate that Studio will be integrated into the Screenshot Editor app on Pixels. This integration will allow users to create custom stickers by remixing images. However, the app's features appear to go beyond sticker creation, hinting at a more advanced generative AI image generator similar to Apple's Image Playground. It's worth noting that Google has been actively improving its image and video generation models. Tools like Image EFS let users experiment with the Google Image In2 model. Moreover, video effects, currently in beta, extend this functionality to video content. The integration of Studio into other Google apps is anticipated to revolutionize the creative process for users. One standout feature is Pixel Screenshots, which is reminiscent of Microsoft's Recall feature exclusive to Copilot Plus PCs running Windows 11. Recall automatically captures user activity and uses on-device AI to quickly retrieve information. Privacy concerns emerged when it was found that potential attackers could access stored data, leading Microsoft to pause the rollout of the feature for further improvements. The development of these innovative features highlights the ongoing evolution of technology and its influence on user experiences. In contrast, Google has taken a different approach with this feature. Instead of capturing everything automatically, Google focuses more on privacy. It will only process screenshots that you take yourself. The app will add extra details like app names and web links to screenshots before local AI analyzes them. This new method seems to provide a safer way to search for specific screenshots and ask questions about them. Compared to Microsoft's version, Google's approach seems to execute the idea better. Both apps serve a similar purpose, but Google's method appears to be more protective of sensitive information. It will be interesting to see how well this feature works in real-world use. It's important to mention that Motorola is developing its own version of Recall, which is similar to Google's implementation. This version also avoids automatically saving everything on the screen, highlighting a continued focus on privacy and user control. In addition, Google's Pixel phones have faced criticism for not keeping pace with the latest specs compared to competitors. However, the company appears to be making progress in certain areas. With the Pixel 8 series, Google introduced OLED displays, which marked a big improvement in display quality. Rumors now suggest that Google will use the same Samsung OLED display for the upcoming Pixel 9 series, similar to what Apple plans for the iPhone 16 Pro. The Pixel 8 series saw Google move from lagging behind to briefly offering the best smartphone display in the US market, thanks to the OLED panel from Samsung, which offered excellent brightness and colors. Reports indicate that Google plans to include an updated M14 OLED panel from Samsung in the Pixel 9 series. This new panel promises higher brightness and improved lifespan. Interestingly, Google won't be the only one using this OLED panel, as the iPhone 16 Pro lineup is also expected to adopt the same display technology. Apple has consistently relied on Samsung's top-tier displays for its Pro iPhones, with earlier models using the M12 generation. The base iPhone 16 models, however, will continue with the current generation of displays. With both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max moving to the M14 panel, similar to the Pixel, Google is preparing to launch the Pixel 9 series earlier than usual on August 13th. Apple is expected to unveil its new iPhones in September. As the release of the Pixel 9 approaches, hands-on videos have begun to appear, giving us a sneak peek into what Google has planned. Feel free to share your thoughts on these videos in the comments below. And stay tuned for more updates. Take care until next time.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll